For this process, you will need the following tools: a 2.5mm Allen key and shims. Use shims to mechanically correct the height difference between the two hot ends, allowing you to accurately print in both duplication and mirror mode, exclusive functions of our IDEX technology. The printer will tell you the number of shims you should be using and which hot end you'll need to install them on. Following the instructions on the screen, wait until the hot ends cool down and turn off the printer. Take out the two screws which hold the hot end. Lift the hot end and put the shims in place. Lower the hot end and retighten the screws. Restart the printer and verify the installation of the shims on the screen.